Hey everybody, Rick from Tremor Outdoors doing a video today for one of our sponsors that we really love. Eurosport Daytona down in the US sent us up some really cool products. Now if you remember, we put the raised acrylic lettering on the back of the tailgate for the F-150 logos, and they look amazing. I get more compliments on those than you can imagine. Well, they sent up a license plate, and it's all done in raised acrylic lettering, as you can see. And it looks amazing. Now, unfortunately, here in British Columbia, Canada, I cannot run a vehicle with only one license plate. I have to have one on the front and one on the back. So that's going to be a keepsake kept up in my office, which I'm really happy to have. You'll also remember that they do license plate frames. So they did a really cool Ford license plate frame with the Tremor logo, as well as they sent a trailer hitch plug with the Tremor logo on it as well. You can see here the mirrored finishing and everything looks really sharp on that. So if you're looking to add some really cool touches to your vehicle, check them out. Eurosport Daytona, I'll put the link down below, and they're well worth it. Great quality products, and I think it'll make your vehicle look really sharp. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.